Statistical process control, tolerance limits. The weight of butter in this pack is estimated at 250 grams. This is called the nominal value. So it's unlikely we're going to find exactly 250 grams inside this pack, but the actual weight will be very close to 250 grams. So to ensure that a pack of butter has 250 grams, which is the nominal value, a production manager, someone who's in control of the manufacturing process, may set a machine that fills packs of butter to a slightly higher value, in this case 251 grams. So some packs will contain slightly more than 251 and some slightly less than 251. But what we're aiming for is packs of butter to have 250 grams in them. A large supermarket chain requires that the tolerance limit for the weight of butter is 250.6 grams plus or minus 0.6 grams. So 250.6 minus 0.6 gives us the lower tolerance limit, and 250.6 plus 0.6 gives the upper tolerance limit. This is what's demanded by the supermarket. So they are requesting that nearly all packs of butter have weights between these values. There will be a few that will fall outside, but just a very small number should fall outside. But by far the majority should be within these limits. So we can calculate the percentage of packs of butter which will fall within the limits and how many will fall outside the limits. That's what we're going to do next. So we have our mean. This is what the production facility is set to. The machine is set to 251 grams here. We have the lower limit here and the upper limit here. Anything outside this interval is here and here. And we can calculate the probability of these two regions by using standardizing and the normal distribution. Fairly straightforward calculations. So we standardize both values, the 250 and the 251.2, using our mean and standard deviation. And then we calculate the probability. So 12.7%, so almost 13% of packs of butter with the current setup with this mean and this standard deviation for the machine. So almost 13% are falling outside the tolerance limits. That's way too many. So the production manager needs to consider making a few changes, perhaps a change to the mean or the standard deviation. Maybe the machine needs some improvements so that there is less variability in the product it's producing. Now these tolerance limits are requested by a particular large supermarket, and these limits will vary from customer to customer. So it could be that maybe a discount store will allow for lower values at this end. It all depends on the customer and what their requirements are.